Hey everyone, Shaunus here. Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to go over adding value to a product to get more sales. Basically, it's very simple. I'm going to show you how you can add value to a product that you're already promoting to get more sales and make more money from it. All right, so let's get started. So first, why you should add more value to a product. Okay, so for example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, why you should add more value to it? So adding more value does these kind of stuff. First of all, it encourages visitors to buy from you and you only. Okay, so that's just a really good thing, because when you have a good offer, when you have a good bonus, people want to buy from you because they want your bonus too. Okay, and next one is decreases the refund rate. When you add more value, you're basically adding to the weight of the product. You're basically adding more content, and if your visitors have more content to go through after buying that product, it's gonna take much more time for them to finish everything and think about whether this product was worth it or not. So it decreases the refund rate in general if you have a really good bonus to offer. Okay, and the last one is it'll make you stand out, and it's really important. Many affiliates, many of your competitors are going to just promote the product without anything else. They just want to put a link, write a review about it, or make a video, put some ads in there and just promote it. But what you do is you're gonna add a bonus to it, add more value to it. You're gonna stand out because suddenly you have better things to offer, and you're gonna get most of the sales. I mean, let me tell you something. If someone is visiting your video or your ad or your what they call it, your offer or your website, they probably have been through some other video or website with the same offer. So there's a really high chance that you're not going to be the first video or ad or website that your visitors are going to see. Okay, because people shop around, people just research to find if something is legit, if that specific product is going to help them or not. So it's really important to have a bonus so you're going to stand out, because if someone is visiting visiting a bunch of different pages and blog posts and reading about a specific product, and then they come across your product, they see that you're promoting the same, but you're adding more bonus, you're offering a bonus to them, they're definitely going to buy from you because you're offering better things. If they decide to buy it, they're gonna buy it from you. Okay, so it's really important to have a bonus. Now, as I said, you want to offer bonus to your buyers. Okay, now how you can create your bonus? Number one is to create an ebook. Write an ebook. If you can write about something, write maybe 2, 3, maybe 5 pages about the subject or whatever the product is. Add more value to it. If you cannot do that, you can hire someone else on Fiverr or Upwork to do the job for you if you're willing to spend some money. And next one is you can record an extra training video. That's what I usually do. I'll always add some training videos and that kind of stuff, so people are going to spend more time on the training. So that's something you can do, and it's really not that complicated or hard at all. Third one is offer personal support, and that's something that many people appreciate. Okay, if you offer support, or like number 4, offer live coaching, a lot of people are going to love you for that. And remember, it works really good, especially live coaching works very good, because suddenly you're not just some guy behind a computer, you're some guy that is going to talk to them, and you're someone real, someone legit. So it has a really huge, it gives you really huge credit, and a lot of people are going to just purchase from you because you're offering that specific bonus, the live training. So that's how you create a bonus. Now let me tell you something. Imagine you don't want to create, let's say you don't want to write ebooks, or you don't want to record videos or offer coaching and that kind of stuff. So what do you do? Okay, I mean, I can assume that some of you guys are not going to be happy with getting on the phone and talking to someone, or spending maybe a day or two to write a 10 pages ebook, or record a video for any reason. So what do you do is you use PLRs. Okay, let me explain what's a PLR. PLR stands for private label rights. Basically, using PLRs, you can rebrand someone else's product and give it away as your own. Okay, now let me show you how you do this. So what you do is just go to Google, search by PLRs, and you basically can purchase these stuff. Okay, let me show you. Let me just bring you an example. Let's go to the store. I just found these websites online. This is something I had, plr.me, and if you just Google by PLRs, you're gonna find a lot of different places. Now let me show you how they work. So basically, for example, PLR, finance PLR content. Okay, let's go here. Saving, investing. Okay, there you go. So as you see, you can buy these products for a really cheap amount, 68 bucks, $47. Take a look, and you can offer this as a bonus. Now I want you to think about it like this. This 59 bucks might be a bit expensive for you guys, but imagine how many sales this $59 extra offer is going to get you when you're promoting that product. Many more sales. So it's really important to have an offer, and if you cannot create your own bonus, you can always use a PLR. And the PLRs are basically, these are videos or ebooks. You just buy them and replace your own name with it in there, and suddenly you can just sell it as your own. Okay, it's like you just wrote the ebook, or you just recorded the video, so it's going to be your own content. So yeah, you can just go Google this kind of stuff. There's another one, master release right, resell rights, sorry, and PLR private label rights.com. Just do a Google search and you're gonna find these in there. You can just buy them, and this one is a bit expensive, but the reason this site is expensive, plr.me, is because they usually sell really high quality stuff. So everything you get here is top-notch high quality. If you go here, you can find more cheap stuff like $10, $15. Take a look. A weight loss, for example, if you're promoting a weight loss product, you can buy this for $6.49, and you can offer this as a bonus, like an ebook bonus. So you get the idea. Now let me show you my own bonuses from 2 products that I promote. A product that I promote is Google Sniper, and look at my bonus here. I have a website for it. It's called snipercoaching.com. and I'm offering the bonus. Take a look. I even offer cash bonus to them. So I'm just doing my best to make it sell. So I'm going to do full coaching with them. Just gonna post a new video every week for them to update them with stuff, and teach more and more. And free hosting, free domain, cheap hosting, cash. As you see, I'm offering a lot of great stuff here to make this sell, and it works really good. Okay, and another one is my MTTB bonus. This is a bonus for people who are trying to join a high ticket affiliate program. As I said, I promote a lot of high ticket affiliate program products, and I offer this bonus to everyone who decides to join a high ticket affiliate program under my name. And it's a really great bonus, and it's one of the best bonuses that actually I've created. So as you see, you need to spend some time to get this right. If you can do it, if you want to make more sales, this is something that I totally suggest you to do. Okay, spend some time, create some really good bonus, and just offer it when you're selling the product. And again, here I even offer a cash bonus, $100 cash bonus, because on every sale I make $1,250. So $100 is really nothing, right? So it's a good thing. It helps a lot and gets me a lot of sales. So that's how you add more value to make more sales, guys. So let me know if you have any questions, and I'm going to see you in next video. In next video, I'm going to talk about tracking and basically how you can track your sales and have everything clean and in one place, nice and easy. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.